The William Allen White School of Journalism and Mass Communications stands today as a beacon of hope for freedom of the press. For more than a century, inspiring journalists, including John Bremner, Suzanne Shaw, and Calder Pickett, have left their signatures on this remarkable school. And 1982 has a special spot in that timeline.
Stauffer-Flint had just seen its last remodel. Madonna released her debut single, E.T. opened in theaters, and gas was 91 cents a gallon.
It was invigorating to be a KU journalism student. KJHK was recognized as one of the nation's top 7 collegiate radio stations, and the J School debuted its first cable television class. Telling important stories remains at the heart of what Jayhawks do. It just looks a little different. Technology has zoomed forward. Broadcasting demands have expanded KUJH and Media Crossroads. And the Kansan has evolved to reach its audience in new, creative ways. Help us inspire the next generation of Jayhawk journalists to push thought and boundaries.
A unified and connected space designed for flexible and experiential learning will re-energize students with a sense of identity, pride, and belonging from the new front entrance on.
Timeless knowledge and skills separate us as the best. As Jayhawks, we are compelled to rise higher and build on our legacy. Be a part of this new chapter in the story of the William Allen White School of Journalism.
Won't you help us create a new front door for the next generation of Jayhawk journalists?